Can you people hear me? Okay, let me see if my mic is on actually. Well, yeah, it is. Oh no, this is not the second. There it is. That's far better. It is actually far better. So yes, I think I am live now. So what I want to do this next hour is messing with a new project. Let's start again because for the sake of completeness, with NCurses and C language, beautiful C. So let's make a deal for this. Let's create a folder. Let's go back here. Let's create a folder called Recreational Programming. There it is. Let's make here some. Let's make a RPG game. Okay, so I would like to make 5, but I have already one. So why choose to write things again when I already have a make 5? So there it is. Let's make now my include folder here. Let's initialize this with git. Okay, great. So let's create now my main thing. Okay, so now I want to actually include these two, this one too, and I want to make my main click here. The classic hello. No, yes. Okay. So now let's go with NCurses. So what I want to do probably is to use Tmux from here now. I have a Tmux mobile, but I want to create a new one. But since I don't remember, let's open the browser here. I don't remember how to create a Tmux session, a name and Tmux session. So let's try it. Let's set here Tmux cheat sheet. Always helps. Here it is. It always helps me. So okay, Tmux new _s session name. Okay, then for me. Tmux new as, let's call this Recreational. Right. So this one is going to be called. What's the name for this though? What could be the name for this? The name for this could be just those. Let's call it RPG postcode. Let's create a new Tmux now. Let's call this snakes. Okay, so well, not a snake actually, but well, yes, actually yes. close open it anyway. So yes, this is NCurses lib. Okay, so yes, I want to include lib them. So let's set some basic. Oh, not set. Sorry, no. Map. It's not this. Not that. Okay, I need to remember something right now. I always forget about this, and I want to tape stop, and what more it was? Tape stop. Okay, so yes. Perfect, yes. Okay, so this makes things more comfortable to me. Okay, so now, yes, I want to do the courses. I set the lib. Okay. Let's go init colors. Okay, I want some basic strokes that I am going to probably use. So let's go with the basic strokes that I will be using here. Let's call this geometry. Size as well, that's better actually. Okay. And now let's create some sort of no, this is good enough for me. I can have this geometry here. Okay, why? Why is this map not working though? Oh, because of this, okay. Okay, does not matter. It seems not to be working. What is I call this F6? What's the issue with that? Okay, it does not matter. It seems that okay, so what I want to do is include basically this geometry stage, and I want to do something more that is related to. Yes, this is a very good one. Yes, I do like this thing. Okay, type the stroke terminal. Um, I think it's geometry, and geometry is it's going to. Well, actually, I don't want geometry here. No. Because terminal is above rows and columns. And that's about it, I guess. And I probably want a method called something like get terminal. Yes, this should be good enough. Terminal, let's see. Okay, let me see if I am actually live. Yes, I am live. Okay, I want to include I don't think it will make any difference, but Get current terminal, get current terminal. Let's include all of this. And let's include this too, because this is exactly what I want. Well, actually, this is what I want actually. Okay, for some reason, this is doing that. Why though? Okay, fine. Returning characters, F7. Okay, so this seems like it's working really bad for some reason. Oh, maybe it's because I did some set like. I know what happened. Okay, so I believe I know what happened. I did something very. Yes, I know that was the issue. It seems fighting characters. So yeah, I didn't modify what. So I have one idea though. Let's take this workspace. Let's keep this. Okay, now it's working for some reason. So okay. So yes, I want to create this. I want to use this get current terminal to get the current terminal size. I want to create this also a new method called void. Well, no, that should be enough. Like, this creates a new, this gets a new a current terminal, but what if I want to update the terminal size though? Well, I want to probably use some sort of update terminal. Probably yes actually. I would like some sort of terminal update terminal. Let's probably call it a boy. I don't like this, but if it works, it works. Okay. I believe I don't need this though. Yes, that's what I want to. And that's about it, I guess. And what I want to do here is like terminal equals to new. Okay, so what if I want to go? Okay, yes, this is what I want actually. So I want to use calloc to create a new one. Okay, yes, I want to use calloc here. Calloc. Size of terminal. Like terminal. Okay, so basically this is what I want. So like terminal. Yes, this way I should be able to get my current terminal with its current size. So if I go like terminal, like t equals to get current terminal, and if I do some print calls rows segmentation for. Okay, that's actually nice. Okay, I'm back. So I got a segmentation fault. Why though? I wonder if it's because of. Yeah, it's because of this, it seems. Okay. So it seems. Okay, that works. That actually works fine. Oh yeah, I am succeeding. I understand why. Because if this was like this, then I should be using this. But since it's like this, yes. It totally makes sense for me now. 9025, perfect. So I get my terminal right now working. I want to have my terminal size update for every resize I do. I will explain why now. Go like, let's create a new file. Actually, let's create that file later. Let's just create the code here. Let's go like void game let's actually use my open world for this. Well, actually no, not the open world. Let's here for some sort of live whiteboard. No, come on, not this. Let's just create a new board here. And what I want to do is to see how I'm going to structure my game. Because I'm going to be using C and NCurses. I want probably, this is my program. Let's call init when my program starts. The first thing I want to do is probably do the init part, like initialize everything. Init game. This should be like set up NCurses. I want to set up NCurses. Here I want to set up colors. I get my current terminal, etc. And after I stop the init game part, what I want to do now is start with the, how to call it though. Let me see what's the name for this. How I wish to call this. I wish to call this like game loop. I could call it game loop, but that's okay. This is the game loop part. I actually want, what I want actually is a splash screen though, but yeah, the game loop should be like this And when I exit the game door, just exit. This should be a very basic game structure. So you want my init game and main game loop. I could add some stuff here, like probably my splash screen, but I can actually put all of this in the game loop and use some sort of state, for example, state splash, etc, 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 etc. So let's go by creating my init game function. It should initialize or read with the game. I wish to have some sort of global variables though, like my terminal. Yes, my terminal. My what more? Let me call it. Let me see how to call it though. I actually can create a struct for this that we can type here. Struct game, and let's access here a terminal. Terminal T here. What more? Let me see. Let's also have here some what? Let me see. I have my terminal. I can also have like my what do I have in my geometry? Box. I like the idea of box or rect. Okay. I actually like modeling of rect. Yes, like that. Yes. Let's have rect like screen. Yeah, let's call it screen. And let's have some sort of other info like int status of the game, if it's the splash screen, the main menu, or the game itself, etc, etc. And that's okay by now. I want now some sort of spatial game. Game, and let's call it like current game. Okay, when I initialize the game, my current game should be a catalog one slice of current game. Okay, that's good enough, I believe. Then I work like my current game dot terminal to equal get current terminal and you should be like this, like probably this is what I want. This is good enough, or like this. I don't remember well, but that's okay. Okay, so now what more? The screen, okay. Screen, I want it to be like, let's create actually a screen here. Okay, that's good enough. Now screen dot pause dot x equals 1. Screen dot pause y equals 1. Minus 1 minus 1. Okay, perfect. Then correct game. Screen equals, and that should initialize my game. Oh, actually no, this is basically the init and courses void, and let's call it init and courses. Yes, this is basically what I want. This and I want this actually. Yes, so yes, this. And the init colors should be another function. That we want here. Text color, border color. That's good enough for now. That's good enough for now. Okay, so basically here I want this. Basically, yes. I was basically want create point, create box. Yeah, this is basically what I want. Color and border. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now I'll initialize encoders, initialize my game. I should be able to call basically init game, and init game should be able to. I wanna show you something more. Yes, this is also I want at the end, but actually I don't need to copy this. This basically actually I want in the game loop function And yes, we should be all set here. And if I do here some sort of print f with yes x y, and if I do this like this and I use that this green dot size of y dot size dot height screen dot post dot x screen dot post dot y. If I do all of this and I can make a mistake because it's a pointer somehow. Why it's a pointer though? Well, if it's a pointer, then it's a pointer. Why, I don't know. Current game, it's because current game. Okay, I see. Yes, you are indeed. And T is undeclared in the function init. Okay, probably here. Current game T main. Okay. No. Current game. A PC. Okay, so what's going on here? Do I reach this? Hi. Yes, I do reach this. And here, let me see what do I reach and what do I not reach. I reach this. No, it seems I don't. Oh, I never reach this because when I start NCurses, yes, I know what happened here. Once that I start NCurses, I have to print white height with height xy. Okay, fine. Okay, so yes, it seems to be working though. Now let's create the game loop then, because this seems to be working. I can have here my game loop, the void too. And here what I want actually is, I don't want a character, but let me check something please. I want the sleep function. For the Linux platform, I want to use. Okay. How do I include the proper? Okay, anyway, I'm going to focus on doing only this. But I believe this is included by another library here though. Yes, by this one place. So let's just use sleep here and see how it works though. Sleep milliseconds. Okay, great. So I can use milliseconds and that's far better. Do while ch. It's different than q. Ch is equals c. Ch equals get character and let's sleep. But actually want to get character not to block my screen. How to do that? I have to use a thread for this. Okay. Let's learn about this function here. Okay, it's used by this function, it seems. This library, sorry. If 50 frames per second, it's good enough for me. Tips milliseconds and if keyboard hit equals, yes, perfect. And then we should be able to stop. Okay, let's find our directory. Okay, I am going to trust this strange person, probably yes. Okay, let's see what it does. Okay, let's just trust this. I basically have to trust this. Let's just trust it works. Keep a hit. And let's trust that this is going to work. Okay. Unknown type terminus. Okay, so this could work. Unknown type name terminus. Okay. Undefined reference to actually want this to be like this, yes. Undefined refers to leap like this. Oh, I can actually, I see. I actually can just like that. Okay, so what now about the clean screen? When I want to my screen to be clean though. Clear. Okay, so basically it seems like it's a function from NCurses that I can just go like I can go like this. Just because this function though. Let's try with making a timer. Okay, what if I use a thread for this actually? Like instead of doing this, I can use is I would like probably a thread for this. Okay, so this is not probably what I want, so yes, this is something like this what I want actually. Just add it like that. Character. Okay, so what if I want to write? Okay, fine. No, let's just I see. Times. Okay, it seems that actually okay. No luck with this, it seems. Okay, this is not the kind of character I would like to see. Integers. FD variable f. I don't want to scanf. Print f is what I want. Seems. Yeah, that was my bad. I want print f. Yeah, basically this is what I want, yes. Oh, the issue with this is that, yes. Yes, that makes sense. Okay, yes. And now what I want is X. Okay, let me see now. Okay. It seems this actually works, but the issue with this is that this seems not to be working though. as in different than -1, if in different than -1, timeout, refresh. First delay 5, maybe I want these two. Right. Okay, using half delay and timeout. Okay, that's far better now. I want to check something though. I'm not. Is this sleep necessary though? Okay, that sleep's not necessary at all. So this is not necessary here anymore, thankfully. So yeah, not necessary, not necessary, not necessary. Does this timeout works with if I go like this? For example, like this. Does the timeout have anything to do with this or not? Yeah, that's good enough for me, I guess. This is not a perfect. I believe that's probably too fluid even for me. I believe we are fine with this now. But actually not. Okay, so yes, I have this. That's good enough for me. I am more than happy with this right now. And then this is where my game loop can actually go. Let's call here this logic int character press, and let's call game logic here. And this is where I actually no game logic, game render. Yes, game render. But which is where I do all my render stuff. So you can go by. And here, what I can do is how many time has passed. Oh, 1 hour already. Okay, in a bit I will have to finish this. What I want to do is basically to render here, for example. Let's try with rendering. Where is the game? Oh, here it is, the current game. Okay. Equals to current game dot. Not screen. Not pause. And the same with and here the same with this. What's X now like size width Actually, no. This is like this. This is like this. That is not right. And in x equals UI plus current game screen dot also x and here I want to do my this one, yes. UI X, this is kinda confusing, I know. What colors I had? I had text color and border color, right? Yes, and border color was, yes, perfect. My border color here. Okay, what was the issue with this? Oh, I'm so silly. I'm silly like a cow. No. What I want is that if UI equals I wanted to draw it when UI is 0. Okay, so if UI is equal to 0 or UI equals to current game screen size different 0. Then you continue. This for UI. Okay, so basically, if UI is 0. Okay, wait. If UI is 1, for example, I want to write UI, but I don't want to. If UI is 0, I want UI and X. Well, actually, more easily, or if J is different to 0 and okay, let me check. For example, let's try if UI equals 1 and J equals 1. This should not be draw, but let's say y is different on 0, so goodbye. So let's try this. This should draw. This is not going to draw, but actually this is good. This is true, but this is false, so this is going to draw. So let's try with this now. with this I say. This is false. No, this is true. This is false. So I believe that this should do the trick. It kind of does the trick, but see what happens here. It's giving me so much issue. Okay, so x is equal to y current game screen post x. But actually, yes, this is what I actually want. What happens if I do this though? No, not cool at all. Maybe it's working, but try something though. It's time like doing this and see what happens. Okay, I see what's going on. It seems that the issue I have is what happens when is I want you to be like this actually. Yeah, that's far better. That's far better. -1, okay. Another one -2. Let's try with a -3 and -3 here. What happens if I go like 2 and 2 here? And 3 and 3 here. Yeah, no, this is not what I want though. Because yeah, makes sense. This makes total sense. So basically what I want now is minus screen dot post dot x minus screen dot post dot y. If I go like this, -1, -1. What if I go like this, just like this? Let me see what's the issue here, because if I put 1 here, 1 here. Oh no, I know what's happening. I know what's happening here, at least here. What if I say this to 2? Should still be working. Yes, perfect. If I set this to 5, should still be working. Yes, perfect. So let's just say 2, 2, and here 2 and 2, 5. Okay, it's not perfect, but it could be. I cannot complain. Now what I want to try is that I should be reloading my current game size with the function update terminal, and I actually want some sort of update game size or refresh size. let's create a function here actually. Void refresh game size. And what I want here is you to go like this. Refresh game size. Oh, you can go by. Yes, but what I want now, after refreshing this thing, I want this to adapt to the screen. So for example, I want you to call the typical no, like this. Update terminal, yes, that's better. Update terminal, and here I have to current game, and I want to do this probably I am not totally sure, but yeah, it seems to work. And I wanted to always call this refresh game size, or actually just call it refresh screen size probably. Game, it's okay. And then I always want to call before the game or after the game running actually the refresh game size. So thanks to this, if I go like this, probably it will adapt. Yes, you can see it does adapt, but it's not creating the all versions of the screen, which is unfortunate. So what if I go with clear then? Should the clear go here before this? When the clear should happen though? Unless I can do some sort of, I can call it clear here. Okay, this is perfect. Look at this. It does adapt to my terminal screen size, and we have some sort of basic responsive UI here. That's very nice. This is pretty cool. We have a responsive box here, which will allow us. Oh, table. Okay, so this is great, and I am happy with this. What I want to do now though is how to call it. But this is probably better if I do it like here. Here, this is far better. Yeah, this is far more responsive for sure. And what if I go like this? Look at that, look at this beautiful thing I did. Yes, perfect. Okay, so one thing I want to do though is that in the UI, I just want one because I believe, yes, that feels good already. So this should be my kind of game screen, if that's how I want to call it. This is where my game is going to be rendered. And what I want to do now is probably to, how to call this down. Okay, this is basically my render space, if that makes sense. I believe that having it like 2 and 2 was actually good enough. Yeah, that was good enough. So here my game is going to be rendered. So this is my game screen. I want to make some sort of HUD now and stuff like that, but I believe it's very late and I would prefer to keep this with this tomorrow. Let's just put this into a clean code because I believe this is pretty cool. And let's just create some sort of game.h if and def and if, and here what I want is, yes, this is something I want. Yeah, this is totally something I want. This is totally something I also want here. Yeah, all of this is stuff I want here. Oh, I have to include some stuff here though. Include show me 3.h and include terminal. I can say goodbye to you, and I can just include game I want the init colors function in game 2. This is more NCurses stuff anyway. With the init NCurses here too. I want this refresh game size here too. And here actually I want some sort of game like here. Yes, perfect. And the same with end game. Init game, the same with this. I don't want void here. I want to pause game like this. Yes, perfect. And with game render, kind of the same here with this. Game looks the same, and one more. And end the game. But actually, with here, I also want like this. Like this. And the same over here. Okay, all of you, 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 and you, and you, and you, and you, all of you, just go here. Yes, you all go here. Init colors, refresh game, here everyone. Game, and here. Okay, G. Okay, this is perfect. Init game, the same with this. Actually, with you, I want to return game like this. Yes. Well, actually, no, I say nothing. Game. And here I want to send the game to as a parameter. Everything is going perfect here. Okay, so basically, and this will be game and perfect. So basically, this will be the current game, and yes, current game. Okay. Incompatible type of argument 1. Refresh game size. So what's the issue here then? Why it stays in comp? This terminal. Okay, see what you want me to do here is basically Yes, I understand what's going on now. Here, you need me to be like this, like this probably, no, like this probably, I mean, undefined reference to end game. Well, actually, yes. Okay. Segmentation fault. Okay, where do we have our segmentation fault here? Is it because something like this? Or something like this? Or something like this? Actually, this is probably the issue though. What about if I do this though? I see. Well, let's go by parts. Let's go like this. And let's just go like, let's ignore starting the end courses. Okay, this is actually working. This part goes well. Put a number here right now. Well, actually, let's just save this just in case. And let's here should just wait. No, this is the thing that it's breaking everything apart. But the issue here, though, is that yes, this should be terminal, but it's not. So what's the issue here now? Can I go like this? Like no, this is not going to work though. What can I do here? If I go like this though. Like terminal, yes, this makes sense. And what if I create a terminal? Like terminal. Okay, and then I got like terminal, and then I go like okay. What if I go like this? No, still no. Look this. This is a segmentation file though. Actually, this is all okay. Oops. This is not okay though. So yeah, it's not liking it all. Oh, I know what can I do though. This is not good at all, but what's the problem here? It's the non like it's this. Am I actually getting something here though? Oh, wait a second. Let's ignore this game loop by now. Okay, so by this game loop here, I should be all okay. What if I go like ignore this, ignore this, ignore this, ignore this, and let's go like this? What happens if I do this? Yeah, it seems to work. What happens if I go like this? It seems also to work, right? So what's the real issue here then? Because what's the issue with game loop then? Refresh game size. Is this refresh game size the one causing the issue? Maybe it is though. Wait a second, please.